Hi guys, this is Mohammed. We will learn software. It's really simple to learn it, but we need the magic words. What's the magic words? When we code it, if we need to do something and just know one word. After that it's really easy. We can Google it. Actually, we are Google engineer. We have to be really fast in Java because we have that line. My videos are short, sharp and more magic words. Let's start. This part is button click. File, new, project. This location is project location and this is name. First project, hello world. This is on the left toolbox. You learn all of them, but if you learn now, we lost easy. We lost this toolbox easy. But now, step to step, it's really simple and long time on my mind. And this is button. And drag and drop this button and on the right page, properties. You will learn two properties. This is text. We can change in front of the text and click me. All tools we have to name and we can give it general names. Actually, button general btn and button click. We have to all name different. And we have the reaction button. We have to need the reaction and click me. This page code behind. This page is front. And we need to see star. This means this page isn't saved. And now saved, this star lost. And button click. And message box. Let's show. Hello world. And start. Click me. Hello world.